Hello and welcome to the Essentials of Excel course. In this course, you will learn how to effectively use Microsoft Excel to perform data analysis, create spreadsheets, and perform various functions and calculations. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, Excel offers a wealth of opportunities to improve your data analysis and reporting skills. By the end of this course, participants should have a good understanding on how to effectively use Excel for various data manipulations, data analysis, and presentation tasks. We'll cover a range of topics in this course, including basic Excel workbook skills, managing worksheets, working with columns and rows, creating simple formulas, formatting data and cells, filling and page setup, sorting and filters, protection and hyperlinks, consolidates, keyboard shortcuts, data formatting techniques, data validation techniques, name ranges, logical functions, Excel functions and formulas, lookup, and data presentation techniques. This course is designed for individuals who are looking to improve their skills in using Excel for data analytics, financial modeling, and reporting. It is suitable for professionals in finance, accounting, business, and other related fields who want to become proficient in using Excel for their daily work tasks. Students who want to learn how to use various functions and features in Microsoft Excel to organize, manipulate, and analyze data effectively. In terms of prior knowledge requirement, this course assumes zero knowledge. We'll start from the basic and gradually move up to more intermediate and advanced topics. BFI Inside Data and Financial Analytics Expert School Pathway, which includes SQL, R, Python, Power BI, and Tableau. This pathway school is designed for individuals who wish to gain full-fledged data analysis skills, or for professionals and enthusiasts who want to gain a thorough understanding of everything relating to data and financial analytics. Thank you for considering this course, and we look forward to helping you to improve your Excel skills.